should take it slow.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Got the bike put back together, mostly. Got the frame, swing arm, forks. Just put the air box in. Got the old air filter. Got it cleaned up pretty good. I need to get me some air filter oil before I go out and ride, because it's super dry. And I need to get the actual good sprayable oil that you spray on the air filters to keep it clean and to keep all the dust and stuff out. But yeah, got the air box in. Couldn't figure it out for a second. Thought it didn't, fit in, but I finally got it in. It popped in, and it's a little weird. I got these two bolted up, but I'm pretty sure they're supposed to be like from the old air box. There was two that bolted up here, and then as you can see, it bolts up right there and there. It don't have threads, welded on as it did before on the other air box, and it don't have nuts with these, so I might be able to just zip tie. Just zip tie it right there on both sides, or just get two nuts. Been reading all your guys' comments on the bike, and you guys are really looking forward to seeing the bike when it's finished, and you guys have been, giving me lots of support on the bike, saying it looks amazing. So thank you guys for all the support. I couldn't have done this without you guys watching my videos and supporting me. I wouldn't be able to, have this bike and be able to rebuild it without you guys. So yeah, I want to thank you for that. Went ahead and got the front number plate and the forks put on, or the fork guards put on last night. Went ahead and put the graphics on, and it is already looking 100% better. Expansion chamber, when I painted it, it's looking pretty good. Drill that I got for Christmas. There's that gator grip that I was telling you guys about, if it'll focus in. Has like little pins, and then say there's a stripped nut, you just stick it on like that, and it just goes around it perfect, and gets it out super easy. Got some cheap frame guards, so my boots won't rub off the paint on the frame. Then I got this Volar Motorsport heavy duty drive chain, 520, comes with the link and all that. So we might have to cut it, but lucky me, I got the link cutter or whatever, link splitter right here. Just put the chain in and just tighten this up. Saves you a lot of time. Don't use a flat tip and a hammer. I've tried that so many times and it takes so long and just super hard. Get you one of these for about 20-25 bucks. It's a little rusty, I left it outside, but get you one of these, and you just put the chain in it, tighten it down, and there's like a little pin on this one, on the top one, that goes down and just pushes the link out. Really recommend this. It gets the job done super easy. I mentioned in yesterday's video about the Sprocket. I said more teeth, top speed, less teeth, acceleration. I was backwards, so it's less teeth, more top speed, more teeth, more acceleration. So if you want more top speed out of your bike, you want to go with a smaller rear sprocket. Say if you got like a 52 teeth rear sprocket, go down to 47. Then you'll make your front sprocket, if you got like a 12T front sprocket, you'll raise it up to like a 13, 14T front, and that's for top speed. For acceleration, you'll want to get you a 52 to 50 teeth rear sprocket, and then you'll want to shrink your front sprocket to like a 12T, and that's for acceleration. Let's go ahead and get the wiring and everything back on the bike, and hopefully I can figure it out first try. Pretty sure it's just simple. The black wire right, black and white to the left, just how it looks right there. The wires, right and left. So that should be the case. Well, it's pretty much self-explanatory. It went together pretty simple. everything, you know, only had one place for it to go. You really couldn't, you know, put a wire where it wasn't supposed to go. And then these are different than these. So these are for the carburetor, and then everything else is already hooked up. Got ground. And this, where does this hook up to? Just got off of YouTube Live. Went on there to ask you guys what this was, and you guys told me it was just like a sensor, asking you guys like if it plugs up anywhere. I couldn't find the place that plugs up. And then these two just plug up to the carburetor. Already checked for spark, got spark. Had to reground the ground a little bit because the spark wasn't too much, so I had to reground it. And spark's good now. Trust me, I failed it. Got to get all these wires zip tied up to the frame and all situated, put up, tucked in, nice and neat. Go ahead and put the carburetor in. Probably should have put the carburetor in before I put the air box in, because it's a little bit tight there now, but I should be able to get it. We'll go ahead and throw the front fender on. Run into a little problem. I'm pretty sure this has happened to a lot of people. Front fender don't always line up, bolt up, and you have to drill your own hose, and that's the case here. So I'm gonna have to get it lined up, mark my hose, and then luckily, I got a drill for Christmas and some drill bits, so I'll be able to drill my own hose right there. Had to drill out some hose in the front fender. They didn't line up. Fender is on. It is looking mint. I can't wait to get this bike put back together. I got pretty much everything done. Got to change the clutch cover case and get some new fresh oil put in it after I get the stripped nut off the bottom, which I could probably do that right now with the Gator grip to show you guys. Oil bolt off the bottom of the motor, and see how good this Gator grip really is. Definitely need somebody holding the bike when I'm going to do that. The bike almost fell right on my head. Cut my arm up a little bit trying to catch it. And yeah, so I'm going to have to wait on that. Need somebody to hold the bike so I can actually put a lot of pressure on it, trying to get it off. So what else can we do tonight? We can go ahead and get the front sticker put on the front fender and get it good to go. Front. That's gonna be all for today's video. It's getting a little chilly out here, and I want to be able to get all my tools and stuff cleaned up where I can see. I mean, it's already almost completely dark, but I need to go ahead and get everything cleaned up. Tomorrow's video is gonna be lit. It's gonna come out here, get all the plastics, graphics, and everything put on, and pretty sure tomorrow will be the day that this thing cranks up. First time in like 5-6 months. But yeah, guys, if you ain't followed me on Instagram, hit the follow button on Instagram. There'll be a link down below, or you can go over to Instagram and just type in HighGearMx. It'll be a little bit easier. And almost at 7K followers, So if you want to, follow me on Instagram. I do post stuff that I wouldn't post on YouTube, like stories and stuff of me working on the bike. Like today, I posted a story a few minutes ago of me working on the bike, and you only can see that if you follow me on Instagram. So follow me. Let's get to 7K. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button on the channel. Let's try to get to 300 likes. I never really set a like goal, but let's get to 300 likes. Show me that you enjoyed the video. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.